Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Now scroll down again. Click on Font Size and Style and operate this font size slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!